So you really want to know how you can earn £10,000 every single month in your business. Well, you're in luck, because in today's video I'm going to be breaking down all the steps that you can follow so you can be earning up to 10k per month every single month. Listen, we hear this all the time. People are always going on social media and online about 10k months, getting your first 10k month, and the pressure is on. Like, so many people are wanting to reach these 10k months, and you want to know exactly how you can do it. There's so many different options, so many different businesses, but it's not unachievable. Anyone can actually have a 10k month. Anyone can earn £10,000 a month, but it's not just like a click of a button. It's not just showing up once or twice and you're going to earn that amount of money. There is tactics, there is ways, but you are going to have to put a little bit of work in. You are going to have to actually follow these guides and these steps so that you can move further towards your goal and start earning this amount of money. Okay, so if you're wanting to earn a 10k month, the first thing you're going to have to do is find a business idea. If you don't have a business idea already, I really recommend you getting started on this. You don't have to be a big business mastermind. You just have to have something that you're pretty good at, or something that you're quite skilled at, or something that you enjoy that you can monetize. There is so many different businesses online now that you can create. You can create online courses, you can create coaching, you can do drop shipping, you can invest. There's so many different ways that you can actually monetize and earn more money. So you want to find your business idea. You want to get really clear on your business idea, and I would highly suggest that you niche down. Now, you probably get told this all the time, you've probably heard it before: be specific on one area. I get it. I have suffered and felt it for so long. I have my business, I have a brick and mortar business and an online business, so I know how it all works. My hair and beauty salon is completely different to the online business and the online space, but of course that is a niche, that is an area of expertise. People come, they get their hair or their beauty in that one place, and that's a specific audience that comes there. It might be a wide range of ages and a wide range of people, but we do have like specific type of audience that comes there. It's the exact same with the online world. My online business, I have to focus on one specific group, one specific type of person. Now, people get confused by this because there's so much information about niches and about how to zone in. It doesn't have to be like super broad, like someone that's aged 25 only and likes to go shopping. We're not saying as niche as that, but have like a specific area. It can't just be an area of business or an area of mindset or fitness. Whatever it is that you want to pick, or whatever business idea you have to have a little bit of a specific audience that you're going to attract, because when you go and try and build your business, you need to know who you're actually targeting, and people need to know that it's you that are the expertise in this area. It's you they want to buy from because you're actually in their head, in their mind, and then they're going to want to buy from you. So yeah, get really deep, get really specific on a kind of idea of who you want to attract and what type of business that you're going to create. The next one is a big one, and it's really important, and I don't know why it took me so long to figure this out. You really have to get clear on your branding and marketing. You really want to focus on your personal branding first. So you need to focus on exactly who you are as a person, what your values are, or you can do this as your business. If it's going to be a personal online business, then obviously you will focus more on your personal branding. If you want your company or your business to be completely separate, then just do this as a business, but there's no harm in doing both. It's always good to have your own personal brand anyway, because that's basically you, who you are, and it usually flows over to your business anyway. So you want to get clear on your values. You want to really know exactly who you are and who your business is and who you're trying to attract. Having your business values is so important, because then you know how you can do your marketing, how you can speak to people when you're doing advertisement, when you're doing social content, when you're actually building your business. If you don't have a good marketing strategy, or you don't know anything about marketing, you could have the best business in the world, but you're not going to know how to grow it. You need to get in the hands of other people, and that is why marketing is so vital to get right, and so important to really keep learning about and really keep growing with, because it's changing all the time, and you want to make sure that you're getting your business in front of everyone so you can keep bringing in more revenue and earning more each month. So this one you're probably not going to really like to hear, but it's so important and I have to say it to you. Stop making it all about you. Now, when you have a creative mind or you're really into business and creating things, it always seems to really be about you. What you want, what you need, what things you like, how you want your business to go. And I don't blame you. Like, when you have your own business idea, you just want it to be great. You just want it to be how you want it to be. But that's not going to grow your business. If you're building a business online, it's usually always about the other person. Even offline, even in any type of business, it's always about the consumer. It's about the customer. It's about how they feel, because at the end of the day, they're the ones that are paying you the money. They're the ones that are going to help you grow your business. So why wouldn't you make it about them? So the whole point in growing a business is to transform other people's life or give them something that they need. So no matter what it is, whether it is a tool that they need to build something with, whether it is a service that you provide that's going to make them feel better, or it's going to give them something, it's going to provide that other person that's on the other end something. It's going to make them transform. It's going to give them something that they need, and you want to make sure that you are giving them exactly what it is they want. Now, the way to do this is really understanding your customer, your consumer, who it is that's buying your product, your service, whatever type of business it is. You really need to understand them and just keep reevaluating, asking them questions and figuring out exactly what they want and what they need, and how your service or product can provide for them and how you can make it better. And that's a good way of earning more money, because as soon as you change from thinking just about yourself and actually think about them, that's when the money starts to come in, because that's when you start to really care and empathize with other people, and that's what they want, because they think, I want more of that, I want that service. They'll tell their friends, and then that'll bring in more money, and then it's kind of like a snowball effect from there. Once you're providing a good service, a good product, a good thing in your business, then it's just going to snowball, because everyone's going to enjoy it. You're really going to be making an impact, and that way you're just going to be earning more money. Next up is all about tasks. Now, we are in the age of procrastination, over learning, over information. There's so much going on. There's so many distractions. I am one of those people. I always get distracted with my phone. Instagram is my distraction, and it's really annoying, and it really annoys me. I don't know what is for you, but there might be something that really distracts you, and what you really want to do is focus on tasks that are going to move you forward. Now, it did take me a long time to figure this out, because when you don't really know where you're going or what you're doing, you tend to just procrastinate and just do something else, because it's so easier for your mind, because you don't have to concentrate, you don't have to think about what you actually need to do. But to move forward and to earn this amount of money each month, you're really going to have to focus on the tasks. I don't know about you, but I don't have a lot of time. I'm busy. I have 3 children and 2 businesses to run and a house to keep clean. So it is very, very hard to have lots of time to just be able to chill out and grow in your business. So the tasks that you're actually doing in your business, they need to be tasks that are moving forward, they're actually growing your business and not just wasting your time. The next thing I really want to talk about is just hiring a coach or a mentor to help you grow your business. Now, like I said in the last point, you want to be taking action on your business, and if you actually hire a coach or a mentor, it saves so much time. I cannot tell you how good it is to have a coach and a mentor. I have 2 coaches, one for my online business, one for my hair and beauty salon, and it has grew my business exponentially. Honestly, it's made the biggest difference. Not only will it help you grow your business and it will kick your gear into action, it's also a good way to just speak to someone else in the industry that you're in. Because so often I see when families aren't supportive of your business, or they just don't get it, or they're not kind of included in what you're doing. So having that other person there, like the coach or a mentor, is someone that's got your back, someone that's going to help you grow your business, or someone that you can just even chat to about your business and not feel like they don't care, or not feel like they're not supportive, which in turn really brings you down, because it gives you that negativity, and then it really messes with your mindset and can actually stop you in your growth of business. So if you really want to take it to that next level, you want to earn more income, I would just advise you to really hire a coach. I actually have a pause on my one-to-one coaching at the moment, because I'm focusing fully on this complete transformational course that I'm creating, but it is something that I usually do and I probably will bring back in the future. But at the moment I'm putting all my energy into this course, which is really going to help you grow your business, grow your mindset and earn so much more money. The next thing is really just a money mindset technique, and that is to not be fearful of money. You might think that you want to earn 10k per month and bring that to you, but you could be having all these blocks going on within yourself and within your mind. You might not feel like you're worthy of that. You might not feel like you're able to do that. You might think if you do that, then things will change around you, your family, your friends will change, people's perceptions will change of you. There's so many things that people kind of go through when it comes to money mindset. You have to allow yourself to know this could be normal for you. This could just be something that happens every month. Like, this is something that you want to bring in every single month, and you will be happy with that, and that will be a good level for you. You really want to know what your monthly income goal is, and do you need 10k? Do you want 20? Do you want 5? What is that income stream that's going to make you happy? And once you know it, just be happy that you are going to earn that. You're going to bring and attract that into your life, and you're going to take the steps necessary to actually get there. Once you have that clarity in your mind and you're accepting that that is what you're worth and that is what you're going to get, you will get it, you will attract it, you will use that mindset to take action to then bring that into your life, and it really, really does work. The last thing is so important, which you might not actually think is important, and you might think, I don't want to hear this, but honestly, this is going to be the difference of you earning so much money and not earning so much money. You really want to work on yourself daily. I'm talking physical and mental health. You need to make sure you're putting everything into yourself and into your energy and not sacrificing your physical or mental health to try and chase money. Once you start working on yourself, you start eating the right foods, giving yourself energy, giving yourself enough sleep, and focusing on your mental health, focusing on your well-being and your mindset, then that is going to bring you closer to getting those 10k months. You might not think this is important, but I just really, really stress this to everyone, to all the clients I work with, because I feel like it's so important. Once you get that right, it will just open you up to a whole new world of opportunities. It will attract so much more into you because you're so aligned with yourself, you are so confident with what you're doing, you feel amazing, your energy is there, you're not irritated, you're not aggravated. All of that comes to play when you're making decisions and when you are moving forward in your business. This is something that I work on daily. I have really strict boundaries about getting enough sleep and doing my exercise, and this helps me grow massively. It helps me hold the family together as well as growing the business, and I feel so happy and confident within my businesses because I know that I feel good inside of me and I feel good within myself, and naturally my business has just grew and grew, and then the income has just increased because I've really just focused more so on myself and exactly on my physical, my mental health, which in turn makes everyone else around you happier. It makes you a better person. It will help with your team building, it will help with you attracting good team members into your life, and it will help attract more income to you. I hope this video gave you value. I have a whole ton of videos coming up on business, finance, money, productivity habits, all of the things that are going to help you keep growing in your business, keep earning money, and just be the best versions of yourself. This is something I'm really, really passionate about, and I get emails all the time about people who want to start their own business. They just don't know where to start. So I want these videos and tips to be really educational, really helpful, and help you on your journey. So if you did enjoy it, please hit the like button because it really helps me, boost me up in my algorithm and push this video out to more so I can create more videos like this. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bells because there will be one video every single week, if not two. I hope you have a lovely day, and I will see you again next week.